Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence and showing you how to build your very first AI model without writing a single line of code. Whether you're a student, a business professional, or just curious about AI, this guide is designed for absolute beginners. We'll walk you through each step, from understanding the basics to actually creating and using your own AI model. By the end, you'll see that AI isn't just for programmers, it's accessible to everyone. Let's get started on this exciting journey and unlock the power of AI together. Before we jump into building, let's clarify what artificial intelligence really means. AI refers to computer systems that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence, such as recognizing images, understanding speech, or making decisions. In recent years, AI has become more accessible thanks to user-friendly tools that don't require programming skills. Understanding this foundation will help you appreciate the power and potential of the model you'll soon create. So, let's break down the basics and see how AI is shaping the world around us. You might wonder, why focus on no-code AI? The answer is simple. Not everyone has the time or background to learn programming. No-code AI platforms allow anyone to build, train, and deploy AI models using intuitive interfaces, often just by dragging and dropping elements or uploading data. This democratizes AI, making it possible for more people to solve problems, automate tasks, and innovate in their fields. Let's explore how these platforms work and why they're revolutionizing the way we interact with technology. There are several no-code AI platforms available today, each offering unique features. Some of the most popular include Google Teachable Machine, Microsoft Lobe, and IBM Watson Studio. These tools are designed for beginners, providing step-by-step guidance and visual workflows. They support various AI tasks, such as image recognition, text analysis, and even audio classification. Choosing the right tool depends on your project goals and the type of data you want to work with. Let's take a closer look at these platforms and what they offer. The first step in building your AI model is deciding what you want it to do. Do you want to classify images, recognize sounds, or analyze text? Start with a simple project, like identifying different objects in photos or distinguishing between happy and sad voices. Picking a clear, achievable goal will make the process smoother and more rewarding. Think about a problem you'd like to solve or a task you want to automate. This will guide your entire AI journey. Once you've chosen your project, it's time to gather data. Data is the foundation of any AI model. For image projects, you'll need a collection of photos. For audio, you'll need sound recordings. And for text, you'll need written examples. Make sure your data is organized and labeled clearly, as this will help your AI learn effectively. You can use your own data or find free datasets online. Remember, the quality and variety of your data will directly impact your model's performance. Different AI models require different types of data. For example, image classification models need pictures, while sentiment analysis models need text. It's important to match your data type to your project goal. If you're unsure, most no-code platforms provide templates or examples to guide you. Understanding the data requirements will help you avoid common pitfalls and ensure your project gets off to a strong start. Preparing your data is a crucial step. This means making sure your data is clean, consistent, and well-labeled. For images, check that they're clear and properly categorized. For text, remove any irrelevant information. Most no-code platforms offer built-in tools to help with this process, but it's always good to review your data manually. Good preparation leads to better AI results, so take your time with this step. Let's use Google Teachable Machine as our example. This platform is perfect for beginners and supports image, sound, and pose recognition. You simply upload your data, label it, and let the platform handle the rest. The interface is visual and intuitive, making it easy to experiment and learn. In the next steps, we'll walk through a sample project using Teachable Machine, so you can see just how straightforward the process can be. To get started, go to the Teachable Machine website and choose the type of project you want: image, audio, or pose. The platform will guide you through creating a new project. You'll see options to add classes, which are categories your AI will learn to recognize. For example, if you're building an image classifier, your classes might be cats and dogs. Setting up your project is quick and requires no technical skills. Now it's time to upload your data. For each class, add your images, audio clips, or text samples. The more examples you provide, the better your AI will learn. Teachable Machine makes this step easy. Just drag and drop your files into the appropriate class. Make sure each class has enough variety to help the model distinguish between them. This step is crucial for training an effective AI model. Accurate labeling is essential for your AI to learn correctly. Double-check that each file is in the right class. For example, don't accidentally put a cat photo in the dog category. Clear, consistent labeling helps your model make accurate predictions. If you're unsure, review your data before moving on. This attention to detail will pay off when you test your model later. With your data uploaded and labeled, it's time to train your model. On Teachable Machine, this is as simple as clicking the Train Model button. The platform will process your data and build an AI model that can recognize the categories you've defined. Training usually takes just a few minutes, depending on the size of your dataset. You'll see a progress bar, and once finished, your model will be ready for testing. During training, the AI analyzes your data to find patterns and learn how to distinguish between classes. It uses algorithms to adjust its internal settings, improving its ability to make accurate predictions. While you don't need to understand the technical details, it's helpful to know that more data and better labeling generally lead to better results. The training process is where your AI learns from your examples. Once training is complete, it's time to test your model. Teachable Machine lets you upload new examples or use your webcam to see how well the model recognizes different classes. Try a variety of inputs to check its accuracy. If the model makes mistakes, don't worry. This is normal. Testing helps you understand your model's strengths and weaknesses and guides you in making improvements. If your model isn't as accurate as you'd like, there are a few things you can do. Add more data, especially examples that the model struggles with. Make sure your labels are correct and your data is diverse. Sometimes, removing confusing or low-quality examples can help. Iterating on your data and retraining the model is a normal part of the AI development process. Each round of improvement brings you closer to a reliable AI. Once you're happy with your model's performance, you can export it for use in other applications. Teachable Machine allows you to download your model or generate a link to use it online. This makes it easy to integrate your AI into websites, apps, or presentations. Exporting is usually just a click away, and the platform provides clear instructions for each option. With your model exported, you can now use it in real-world scenarios. For example, you might add it to a website to classify images uploaded by users, or use it in a classroom to demonstrate AI concepts. Many no-code platforms offer simple ways to embed your model, often with just a few clicks. This step brings your AI project to life and lets you share it with others. No-code AI models can be used in a variety of applications. Some common examples include sorting photos, detecting spam emails, analyzing customer feedback, and even recognizing gestures in videos. The possibilities are endless, and as you gain experience, you'll find new ways to apply AI to your own projects. Start simple and let your creativity guide you as you explore the world of AI. It's important to remember that no AI model is perfect. Models can make mistakes, especially if they encounter data that's very different from what they were trained on. Always test your model thoroughly and be aware of its limitations. Responsible use of AI means understanding where your model works well and where it might need improvement. This mindset will help you build better, more reliable AI solutions. When working with AI, it's crucial to consider privacy and data ethics. Always use data that you have permission to use, and respect the privacy of individuals in your datasets. Avoid using sensitive or personal information without consent. Ethical AI development ensures that your projects are safe, fair, and respectful of others. This is especially important as AI becomes more integrated into our daily lives. Beyond Teachable Machine, there are many other no-code AI platforms to explore. Microsoft Lobe, for example, offers a drag-and-drop interface for image classification, while IBM Watson Studio provides tools for text and data analysis. Each platform has its strengths, so try a few to see which one fits your needs best. Experimenting with different tools will broaden your understanding and help you find the right fit for your projects. Learning is always easier with support. Join online communities, forums, or social media groups focused on no-code AI. These spaces are great for asking questions, sharing projects, and learning from others' experiences. You'll find plenty of resources, tutorials, and inspiration to keep you motivated. Being part of a community can accelerate your learning and open up new opportunities in AI. There are countless tutorials and guides available online for no-code AI platforms. Many platforms offer their own step-by-step instructions, and you'll also find helpful videos and articles from the community. Take advantage of these resources to deepen your understanding and troubleshoot any issues you encounter. Continuous learning is key to mastering AI, so never hesitate to seek out new information. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try building different types of models, using new datasets, or exploring advanced features as you gain confidence. Experimentation is a great way to learn and discover what's possible with no-code AI. Each project will teach you something new and help you develop your skills further. Remember, creativity is at the heart of innovation. As you work on your AI projects, keep a record of your process. Document the steps you take, the data you use, and the results you achieve. This will help you track your progress, identify what works, and share your findings with others. Good documentation is a valuable habit that will benefit you in all your future projects. Once you've built your first AI model, consider showcasing your work. You can create a simple website, share your results on social media, or present your project in a class or meeting. Sharing your achievements not only builds your confidence, but also inspires others to try AI for themselves. Every project you complete is a step forward in your AI journey. Feedback is essential for growth. Ask friends, colleagues, or online communities to try your AI model and share their thoughts. Constructive feedback can help you spot issues you might have missed and suggest new ideas for improvement. Embrace feedback as a valuable part of the learning process and use it to make your models even better. AI development is an iterative process. Use the feedback and test results to refine your data, retrain your model, and improve its accuracy. Each iteration brings you closer to a robust and reliable AI solution. Don't be discouraged by setbacks. Every improvement is a step forward. Persistence and a willingness to learn are key to success in AI. As you become more comfortable with no-code AI platforms, explore their advanced features. Some tools offer options for customizing model settings, visualizing results, or integrating with other software. These features can help you build more sophisticated AI solutions and expand your understanding of how AI works. Don't hesitate to experiment and see what's possible. AI models can sometimes reflect biases present in their training data. For example, if your dataset isn't diverse, your model might not perform well on new or different data. It's important to be aware of this and strive for fairness in your projects. Use diverse and representative data and test your model with a variety of inputs to minimize bias. Responsible AI development benefits everyone. AI is a rapidly evolving field. Stay updated by following news, blogs, and research in the AI space. New tools, techniques, and applications are emerging all the time. Keeping up with trends will help you stay ahead and inspire new project ideas. Continuous learning is the key to long-term success in AI. Collaboration can take your AI projects to the next level. Work with classmates, colleagues, or online partners to combine skills and ideas. Collaborative projects often lead to better results and more creative solutions. Sharing tasks and learning from each other makes the process more enjoyable and productive. Look for real-world examples of AI in action. From healthcare and education to entertainment and business, AI is making a difference everywhere. Studying these examples can give you ideas for your own projects and show you the impact AI can have. Inspiration is all around. See how others are using AI to solve problems and create value. Deploying your AI model means making it available for others to use. No-code platforms often provide simple deployment options, like sharing a link or embedding the model in a website. Understanding deployment is key to turning your project into a usable tool. Explore the options your platform offers and choose the one that fits your needs best. AI models need regular updates to stay accurate and relevant. As you collect new data or notice changes in your project's needs, retrain your model to keep it performing well. Maintenance is an ongoing process, but no-code platforms make it easy to update and improve your models over time. Building your first AI model can be the start of an exciting career. AI skills are in high demand across many industries, from tech and finance to healthcare and education. Even basic experience with no-code AI tools can open doors to new opportunities. Keep learning and exploring, and you might find a rewarding path in the world of AI. AI isn't just for big companies, it's also great for personal projects. You can use AI to organize your photos, automate tasks at home, or even create fun games. No-code tools make it easy to bring your ideas to life, no matter your background. Start with something small and see where your curiosity takes you. Educators are using AI to enhance learning experiences. With no-code tools, teachers can create interactive lessons, automate grading, or analyze student feedback. Students can also use AI for science projects or to explore new topics. The possibilities for learning and teaching with AI are growing every day. Businesses of all sizes are leveraging AI to improve efficiency and gain insights. No-code AI tools can help automate customer service, analyze sales data, or predict trends. Even small businesses can benefit from AI without needing a dedicated tech team. Explore how AI can solve real business challenges and drive growth. Learning something new can be challenging, but remember to stay motivated. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and set achievable goals for each project. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. AI is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to mastering this powerful technology. There are many resources available to help you continue your AI journey. Look for online courses, books, webinars, and workshops focused on no-code AI. Many platforms offer free materials to get you started. The more you learn, the more possibilities you'll discover. Keep exploring and expanding your knowledge. Confidence grows with experience. The more you work with no-code AI tools, the more comfortable you'll feel. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're a natural part of learning. Each project, big or small, adds to your skills and understanding. Believe in yourself and keep pushing forward. Congratulations! You've learned the basics of building your first AI model without any coding. We covered everything from choosing a project and gathering data to training, testing, and deploying your model. Remember, AI is a powerful tool that's now accessible to everyone. Keep experimenting, learning, and sharing your projects. The future of AI is bright, and you're now part of it. As you embark on your AI journey, remember that every expert was once a beginner. With no-code tools, you have everything you need to start building, experimenting, and innovating. Stay curious, keep learning, and don't hesitate to explore new ideas. The world of AI is waiting for you, so go ahead and build something amazing.